I feel very happy by listening these classes. Madam, shall I start?
Okay, speak few words regarding of this class, this coaching, Mitrama.
Good evening to all my dear participants, and I thank for this and all the dignitaries of Botany department. I feel very happy to listen these classes and with a clear, good explanation. And we may know the answers and question paper patterns by listening these classes from teachers, all the departments of Botany, various colleges. And I thankful to all my Department of Botany teachers. Hats off for this giving a good opportunity to wonderful classes.
Come on, introduce yourself first of all.
Good evening to all. My name is Prakash. I am from Kakatiya Government Degree College. I am from second year BJC.
In advance, you are listening this class, says.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, which class you are most inspired or you are actively participated in which classes or resource persons? Most of the resource person has delivered the lectures, regarding of the CPGET free online coaching.
From this beginning, I felt very happy from Mr. Rajni madam and Padmaja madam, Savita ma'am and Madhuri madam and other madams also. I feel very happy by listening their classes, and they are motivating me in the class and also giving some clear explanation and clearing the questions from my side which are getting doubts in these classes.
Okay. Remaining resource persons like Nagaraju sir and Rambabu sir, what about your feeling about the male means gentlemen and resource persons, very huge experienced teachers,
I know, but I feel very happy in SARS also. I am thankful first of all to Tirupati sir for giving this opportunity to speak all of my teachers. And I thankful to Rambabu sir and that Nagaraju sir and that
Kavita madam garu, Manjula
madam, Manjula ma'am, Padmaja madam, and
Parvati madam garu.
And Parvati ma'am, and also that one of the staff is missing. I didn't understand name.
Savita madam, already you told, na?
Yeah, first at the beginning only I told.
Okay. Okay, these are all.
And once again, I wish
Rajini
to all
madam
my
garu,
teachers.
Rajini madam garu.
I told at beginning only.
Okay.
And once again, from my side, hearty congratulations and thankful, my dear teachers, for giving this golden opportunity and utilizing this time to giving a good future by your classes, and all the students can be motivated and to get good marks in the CPGET by your classes. And also, we know that
okay.
That's it, sir.
Okay, my dear Prakash. Really wonderful words you said about the actually you said rightly said, my dear Prakash, because of huge experienced resource persons spared their valuable time for your better future, for your better score in your CPGET and other all competitive examinations. In this regard, today's our eminent resource person, Dr.A.Madhuri Madam Garu, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Government Women's College, Autonomous, Begumpet. So recently, our madam, because of madam's efforts, college has got A++. So in our state, the one of the best institution in degree colleges, degree and PG colleges, and also recently those through those online, majority of the students, they are opted entire state, these 33 districts, GDC Women Begumpet is one of the toppest college, and grading also, NAC grading also one of the best college. So because of one of the our respected resource person, Dr.A.Madhuri Madam Garu has spared her valuable time and also her efforts shown this result. So we are very happy and congratulate her, and also thankful to her because of her valuable time for sparing for us. Okay, we would like to invite Madam Garu. Please welcome and share your screen, Madam. Madhuri Madam Garu.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. And I would like to say a few words for Prakash. Yeah, you can. I want to say something about Prakash. I'm happy that you are attending these classes in second year, ma. And I feel you are more responsible towards your future. This commitment should be there for all the students. That will help them. And I'm happy you are here with us. Thank you so much. So today's our topic is mycoplasma. So what are mycoplasma? Let us see. They are pleomorphic, spherical in shape. Okay.
Madam, shall I
Yeah, you
mute
can.
my video?
Yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity to speak a few words.
Thanks. Yeah, regarding mycoplasma, first point what you have to remember is it is pleomorphic. Pleomorphic means it can change its shape. Okay, it can exhibit more number of shapes. Usually we can see it as a spherical, and size can vary from 125 to 250 nanometers to 500 to 1000 nanometers in diameter. And they are facultative anaerobes. What do you mean by facultative? Facultative is not compulsion. Obligatory means compulsion. Facultative is not compulsory. Anaerobe means it actually does not require oxygen, or it prefers anaerobic condition. But even if it is getting little bit of oxygen, then also it can grow. That is the meaning for facultative anaerobe. And it grows maximum at the temperature 35 to 37 degrees centigrade. And it grows best in media. So in medium, we have to supply acidic fluids and humor or serum. Okay, so this requires special nutrients. We won't give serum for any bacterial growth or media. But here for mycoplasma, we have to even supplement with serum. That to 20%. It's a huge quantity. And pathogenesis means what diseases it is caused. There are different types of species. Mycoplasma. Yeah. Who's this?
Media, ma'am. That's
yeah.
House or human serum?
Horse. It's not spelling mistake.
Okay.
Horse or human serum. You know what is serum?
Without red blood cells, only the...
Yes. After clotting, whatever liquid we get, that is serum. Okay. Is this clear? Your good name?
My name is Saria, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, I have seen just a glance in your book of you, ma'am. I think your hand is got fractured. Even though you are providing us the best classes, so thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving such a good classes. It is surely useful for us.
Thanks a lot, ma. So we have different types of different species of mycoplasma.
Madam,
sir.
Madam is from the beginning very hard worker and also very, very patiently uh, take the classes. Many classes, Madam has continuously taking for the better future of her students, especially. So we are very lucky because of Madam has clearly uh, explained. Actually, due to Madam personal work, Madam this time Madam is unable to take. In earlier, Madam has told me
Yes,
this
sir.
academic year I am unable to take any classes, but next year definitely we'll look after. But Madam voluntarily sent message, will schedule, I will take the classes because the contribution, because of the concern about the students, commitment of the Madam shows the efforts. Really, Saryaji, I appreciate you because of your keen observation. Even though I am not observed Madam fractured hand,
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
sir.
really, it is in.
Thanks to
We are
you, sir.
wholeheartedly thankful to Madam Garu because of Saryaji, good observation. Even though మన అందరి విద్యార్థుల తరపున నిజంగా మీకు ప్రత్యేకమైనటువంటి ధన్యవాదాలు మేడం. రియల్లీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు
Thank you,
మేడం.
sir.
ప్లీజ్ కంటిన్యూ.
Thank you so much for the concern.
May God bless you, ma'am.
So, wish you the same.
Thanks.
This mycoplasma, we have different species: Mycoplasma pneumonia, Mycoplasma hominis, Mycoplasma urealyticum, Mycoplasma genitalium. Okay, so these all species or different types of mycoplasma, they are basically pathogens, means they are causing diseases, right? And coming to first type, that is Mycoplasma pneumonia, it causes infection in lungs. Pneumonia usually is a symptom of lungs, so this is also causing pneumonia, and this is called atypical pneumonia because the symptoms are different from normal pneumonia symptoms. Okay, so whatever normal symptoms are there for general pneumonia, the symptoms of Mycoplasma pneumonia are different, and it affects people younger than 40 years of age, and the people who live mostly in crowded areas such as schools and homeless shelters, they are getting more affected by this organism. Coming to the symptoms may be mild, and they may appear up to 1 to 3 weeks, and they'll become more severe in some immunocompromised patients. And common symptoms include chest pain, chills, cough, and blood won't be seen in pneumonia. This cough and excess sweating will be there. Fever, headache, and sore throat can be seen. Less common symptoms are ear pain, eye pain, muscle aches, rapid breathing, etc. So here, if you all are from botany background, you need not get into more details of mycoplasma, because I have seen the previous papers, only one bit they have asked. Okay, the question was something like which organism is lacking cell wall among the following. Okay, have you got my question? Which type of organism is lacking cell wall? Answer is mycoplasma. Okay, here cell wall is not there. That is why they are able to show this pleomorphic nature. That is why they are able to change their shape, because cell wall is the basic structure which gives intact structure for the cell. And as this organism is lacking cell wall, it is pleomorphic in nature. Hope I am clear in this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Mycoplasma hominis, it is found in urogenital tract. Okay, especially women, that too in adults. And this bacteria cause infections that leads to pelvic inflammatory disease. There will be inflammation, swelling in pelvic area, and it also causes post-abortal fever, postpartum fever, and extragenital infections for immunodepressed humans. Okay, the individuals which are in the persons who are not having good immunity, they will be affected more by this organism. It can also cause meningitis, that is brain. It affects brain, and pneumonia and abscesses in newborn children. Abscesses means pus formation. And urealyticum, this is found in urogenital tracts. It stains gram negative, and it can exist as normal flora in reproductive tract and remain undetected unless specially tested for. So as you know, we have normal flora in our body, okay, inside the body and upon the body also. On our skin also, staphylococcus will be there. Similarly, in our internal organs also, we have some normal flora which are normally present there. So this Mycoplasma ureolyticum, it is a part of our normal flora in reproductive tract. And women with this infection experience fertility problems. So this is one of the cause for fertility problems in ladies. And next is Mycoplasma genitalium. It is a small pathogen that lives on ciliated epithelial cells of urinary and genital tracts. Okay, in urinary tract and genital tract, this bacterium is there. It is reported first time in 1981, and it caused significant morbidity in men and women, as is a cofactor in HIV transmission. Means it is associated along with HIV, and it causes more health problem. It is still controversial whether this is a STD or not. You understand STD, sexually transmitted disease, right? So scientists are having doubt whether it is it can be included in STD or not. Next, laboratory diagnosis. So how you can find out whether the person is affected with mycoplasma or not. So first is hematological investigations, means blood related tests, right? So there we can't find much. Then we have to go for bacteriological investigations, where we have to grow the organism, that is culture studies, and then biochemical studies and serological studies. Biochemical studies, we have different tests under this category, and then serological studies. Serological means serum or blood related. Next, culture studies, it takes 2 to 3 weeks to get a positive identification of mycoplasma. Here you can understand, if you want to grow normal bacteria, 24 hours is sufficient, okay, to get the colony. But for mycoplasma, it is taking longer incubation. This is another important point what you have to remember. 2 to 3 weeks. Incubation period is 2 to 3 weeks. Next, biochemical studies, it utilizes glucose and other carbohydrates as source of energy. So glucose utilization test we have to do. And serological test, we have to do complement fixation test. Okay, this is a part of routine tests which are being done for the identification of mycoplasma. And treatment, we have to give tetracycline and erythromycin can be given. So this was about mycoplasma. So hope you understood. Some important points what you have to remember is, this is a smaller in size, this is lacking cell wall, and this is facultative anaerobic organism, and its incubation is high. It requires 2 to 3 weeks, and it is pleomorphic in nature. Okay, I hope it is clear.
Yes, madam. Yes. Even though mycoplasma is also called as the jokers of the plant kingdom. Okay,
Yes.
Jokers of the plant kingdom, mycoplasma. So mycoplasma especially caused some of the plant diseases, madam has told in previously. Even though the Sesamum phyllodes and little leaf of brinjal, these are the plant diseases caused by the mycoplasma. Okay, the mycoplasma is discovered by anybody else? Mycoplasma, Nockard and rocks. Mycoplasma was discovered by Nockard and rocks. Okay, so madam, please continue.